Sustainable investing is an approach that considers environmental, social, and governance factors alongside traditional financial metrics when selecting companies for a portfolio. You will often hear this practice referred to as ESG investing, which stands for environmental, social, and governance criteria. Trillions of dollars are now managed using these principles, as more investors aim to align their portfolios with their personal values. These three pillars help investors look beyond just the balance sheet to assess the long-term health and ethics of a business. While traditional investing focuses purely on financial performance, sustainable investing adds layers of ethical and operational scrutiny to the process. The number of funds offering sustainable options has grown rapidly, reflecting changing investor priorities and improved data reporting from corporations. Many investors view these factors as a tool to identify companies that are better prepared for future challenges. Always review fund prospectuses to understand their specific screening criteria. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more finance basics.